the gunpowder plot. The leader of the group was not Guy Fawkes, but a man called Robert Catesby. His plan was to rent a house to dig a tunnel under the Houses of Parliament to blow King James up with gunpowder. The houses was right next to the Houses of Parliament. Penny for a guy. People beg for money of people who walk by for a dummy to put on fire. People stare at corners with dummy in a barrel. People beg for money to go to charity or self. History of fireworks. Fireworks were made in China 2,000 years ago. Bonfire night can also be called Guy Fawkes night or fireworks night. Bonfire has 3 special things. A blazing bonfire will light up the November sky. There's a dummy or a guy that will sit on the bonfire. There's a fantastic fireworks that add to sparkling light and sound effects. The celebration as the whistle screech and band into the air. Dangers of fireworks. Never buy separate fireworks or sparklers. You could get hurt or other people, so stay away. Have a responsible adult with you. Keeping safe. Always have a bucket of water to put sparklers out. Keep all pets and indoors at all times. Go to a public firework display. Do the right thing and stay away. Stay with a responsible adult that you know. Always wear gloves when holding sparklers. Stay far away from fireworks.